There's a lot of information going on behind me here, so let me talk you through it. First of all, in the middle you can see the answers to the questions, A, B, C, D and so on. To the right of the answer you've got the timing where you'll hear the answer in each recording. Please note that the recordings I've used to take the timings from are the audio files you can download from Macmillan once you follow the instructions given to you at the end of your coursebook. Lastly, because the questions are on different tracks, I've also put the number of the track where you'll find each listening on the left-hand side. To explain why the answers are the answers, I'll tell you the part of the listening which directly relates to the answer. Hopefully you'll very quickly see how the vocabulary in the question connects to the clips from the listening, so make sure you've got your coursebook open at the right page now. I'm going to be moving through the questions quickly, so please pause the video and rewind it as many times as you wish to understand where those vocabulary links are. If, however, you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch through the contact form on this website and I'll do my best to help you out. Okay, let's go. For question 1, the answer is B. People have come to prefer locally grown produce. As the man says, if you watch any cooking program nowadays, there's an obvious bias towards sourcing and using food that's come from nearby farms, and that's had a direct effect on consumer choice. For question 2, the answer is A. Needs to consider what shoppers want. As the man says, do a bit of research into customer demand. The woman then says, look at what sells if you want to have a go at running your own stall. For question 3, the answer is C. It can generate a great deal of waste. As the woman says, when I look at the amount of plastic and cardboard that ends up in the bin, well, it's appalling really, and paper's no alternative. That gets chucked away too. For question 4, the answer is B. Preventing contamination of food products. As the man says, for a lot of food you need the wrapping to keep bacteria and stuff from spreading, so I can't see how we can do without it. For question 5, the answer is B. It will fail to achieve the desired results. As the woman says, I do think though that the government is being over-optimistic if it thinks this will have a significant impact on child health and fitness. In other words, the woman thinks that the government, in being over-optimistic as regards impact, seems to think it won't be as effective as the government thinks it will be. For question 6, the answer is B. The wide availability of unhealthy food. As the man says, it's just hard to resist temptation when it's there in front of you. Junk food is everywhere.